Welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious, and if you're new here, you're highly welcome. I really hope you subscribe if you enjoy my kind of content. So guys, it's currently 7 a.m. and we have a lecture by 8 a.m. So I had to get ready quickly and start my journey to school, because the man said once it's 8 a.m. nobody should come near the class. So as a sharp girl, I have to be early and go and keep front seats. So that's why I'm ready for school right now. I'm already ready. So I'll see you guys when I get to class. Okay.
I may not even reach house with the anointing.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, we are finally back from school. It's been a very long day, and I'm sure you can tell from my face that I'm very tired. Yes, I am very tired. And yeah, it's been over a week since my brother traveled, and finally I have company. My friend is here. Like I told you guys, she was going to come and stay the weekend, so she's here. Pretty angel. Hello. Yeah, so right now we are very hungry. We don't even want to take our bath or anything. We'll just drop our bag and go to Ada's room. It's Ada's that cooked rice and chicken stew, so that's what we're going to go and eat in Ada's room. We are so famished. Okay, so we'll see you when we get there. Okay. Oh, baby's here. She's here.
Next morning.
Hi guys, good morning. We literally passed out in our Daisy's room. Like, I didn't even know when I slept. I didn't even know I was sleeping until I woke up. So me, Dara, and Ada, we slept on one bed. So I told her to come and greet my 200 plus viewers, the 200 plus people that view my vlog. So we are here to say what? Good morning. So guys, today we are supposed to go to Umuahia shop right to go and see what's going on there. So let us pack up our sleepy selves, and probably the next time you see us will be when we are ready to go, and we're going to be taking you with us as usual. Yes. So what's this? So yeah, we just came to say good morning. Okay. There is something that makes me come into your presence. Hello guys, hi. We are getting ready. Yeah, we are getting ready to go out. I told you we are going to Umuahia, so we are just getting ready. And I know the last time you saw me, you didn't see me with these beautiful nails, but right now I have nails on. That is because these nails are clip-on nails. Okay, you can take them out whenever you like, and you can apply them whenever you like. And the funny thing is, I actually got these nails like 2 years ago, and I've only applied them once. So I was just looking through my closet and I saw these nails today, and I decided to try them on, and they are still perfect after 2 years. Oh my god. If this brand is still in business, I'll be sure to tag their name on the screen. I'll check them out on Instagram, because I ordered these nails from Instagram, so I'm sure that this brand must have grown if they are still in business. So we are almost ready. It's remaining week. Ah, fine girl. O'Shea, slay queen, sugar. Hello. Fine girl. No be small thing. She's too. So yeah, we're getting ready. We'll just wear our wigs and go and look for Ada that is upstairs. Okay, so I'll see you in a jiffy. Cause you wanna do me, wanna, you love, they do me one kind. Hell, we are ready, we are ready, we are ready. You come, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, babe. I'm here to show them Pepe.
Tara.
Yeah, I want to check the movie that I show you because we want to see some movies. Ain't nobody gonna stop us. Nobody can beat us.
Oh yes, baby.
So they say no lose mask, no entry bar. Give me those masks, baby.
From the back of one of your campuses. Oh, this is kind of a junior college.
I'm going to get another one.
Right now, back to our dungeon. Back to our dungeon.
The next day.
Hello guys. Hi guys. Hello guys. It's Sunday morning over here and we are currently getting ready for church. Yeah, so that's what we are doing. We're just getting prepared for church. We are even almost late safe. It's already 8 o'clock. But we are still just trying to meet up. So don't worry, when we are done, we'll come and show you what we look like before we leave, okay? Let's not just waste your time watching us getting ready and combing wig and all that. Yes, we are getting ready. She's the we. So guys, we are ready and we are already on our way. Where's that little girl? Or where's that big girl? Yes, we are on our way. It's heels. We are on our way to church right now, so we'll see you when we get to church.
Yeah. We'll put you guys in our prayers.
Yes, we'll put you guys in our prayers. my people, we are back from church. Heals equals to suffering and smiling. Okay, yeah, we're about to have lunch. We bought food from a roadside stand, so we're about to eat that, and we're supposed to film a video together, but we're waiting for Ada to come back. Hi.
Look, he's back. Fine girl. How far? You're looking so fine.
Thank you.